Hi friends, let's bulk edit with a variant targeting system. Why? Because it's fast and it works great with component properties. Here's the old way I used to batch edit. I used to have a master component that I would turn into a component set. So for example, if I wanted to add a new icon, then I would duplicate it and I would make the edits here, which I think a lot of you are used to. I'm not doing it this way anymore, and the reason why is component properties. I highly recommend that you check out my content on them because they're gonna help you lighten and speed up your workflow. And that's also why I've switched to using the variant target for bulk edits. So let's make the same edit by duplicating an icon and shifting it over to the left. I'm gonna grab an icon, and the way the targeting system works, it worries about three things. It worries about name, level, and order. These all have the same name. And if I twirl this down, you can see that. And they're also all on the same level. If I grab one and change the name, now the target disappears because it's not the same name. It's the only one in the component set with that name. The others still have the target on them, and you can see how the bounding box lights up to show you the three matching layers. I'm gonna change this name back. The target comes back. I'm gonna put it one level down, but I just put it in auto layout frame. And now, if I grab onto this, there's no more target because nothing's on this level. They're all one level up. As soon as I take it out of the auto layout frame, the target comes back because now there are three other matching layers with the same name on the same level. Now let's make the same edit that I just did, and this will also show you what order means. So I'll hit my target, I'll duplicate, I'll move it over, and I'm gonna click off. So the reason why I'm clicking off, because I wanna show you that order matters. If I click on this instance and I hit the target, it grabs the first one in that layer stack. And if I target this, then it targets the last icon in the layer stack. So order does matter. Thank you for watching. And remember, the variant targeting system keys in on three things: the name, the level, and the order. If you like the content or feel like it helped you out, please hit that like button or share this video. If you have any questions or suggestions about variants or component properties, please go ahead and leave those in the comment below. If you want to be notified of my content as it comes out, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Have a good one. Bye, friends.